Hey, everybody. I just wanted to come on. Welcome to Creative Marketing Mom. I'm Bianca. This is a quick tip. So, I just found the coolest feature and I wanted to share it with you. So, this is my first day one of my Rocket Blueprint workshop live. It was a 2-hour session and I didn't promote it. I just decided to put it out there because it's going to be up for a week and then it's going to go into the um, Creative Marketing Mastermind Vault, which is my coaching program. Uh, so members can access it. So I wasn't super worried about promoting it. I'll do more next time. So just a few people saw it, but that's fine. Um, that wasn't the goal of this one. I wanted to show you the fact that you can create a reel. Isn't that cool? So you can create a reel just from this live area. So you don't really cool. So you can take this video in different parts, and the way it's created is amazing. So I wanted to show you real quick. So in here, I've got open. Let me see. So I just have this open. This is just me rewatching my live. Um, when you're over here, you want to click that little menu button. Click Create Reel, and it's going to bring up the coolest reel editor I've seen. It brings up the whole entire transcript, which is amazing for multiple reasons. First, you can probably copy and paste all of this and be able to utilize that as a transcript. First of all, that's awesome. You could put it in a Google Doc or you could upload it as captions for your YouTube. The list goes on and on of the things you can do with this. You could create a blog post content, a guide, all kinds of stuff. It's all written. That's pretty amazing. First. Second, it is going to allow you to create a reel based on the transcript, which is so cool. So instead of having to sit here and watch and go all around, you can just scroll down and say, you know what? There's some great bits of information in here. I've already created a reel for this one about you being in the way of yourself instead of, which is why not everybody makes money online, because you can't get out of your own way. Uh, Another great reel. Let's see if we can find another quick one. So somewhere around here, I talk about Trello, and Trello is amazing. But let's see. 2 seconds. Trello is amazing. Okay, let's go. Trello is amazing. Let's click that one. So see, it starts the video. Isn't that neat? It takes the video right there. You can go for how long you want it. I think it's so neat. And then, so let's see, we want to do Trello is amazing. And then you just click and drag, and it's going to ask if you want to make a clip based on that. And it will automatically clip the video, which is amazing. So let's see, Trello is amazing. I say a lot. Sorry, guys. I have a 5-minute video here. Click the little card, watch it go through, demo cards, steroids, Okay. So let's find one. Here we go. Got this little template here for you. It talks about, here we go. We're going to move to thoughts. So thoughts, I can do this. Literally very simple. These are all actually really, really good. But let's go with, so this is the backtalk thought model. There we go. We'll start with that. So I want this. Let's go here. And I want this. I want to click it, and it's going to create it for me. Isn't that neat? And then I can quickly see this little bit, and it will let me preview it. Even walks you through right here, which is really cool. So it goes through, and it's going to walk you through and say, do you like it? Do you not like it? And then I'm going to click next. It's going to ask you if you want smart cropping or if you want the original. And then you're going, let me mute it here. And then that's it. Isn't that neat? You caption it. Let me get my mic. Sorry, my mic's in the way. Move boom arm. It's in the way of my keyboard. Let's say, what do we want to name this, you guys? Let's name it How to Get Out of Your Own Way and Explode Your Sales. So the thought model is how you do that, right? Get yourself out of your own way. It's longer than 20 seconds, so it can't be a short. That's fine. Then we're going to click publish, and it is going to send it out. And dun, 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 we have ourselves a reel. How neat is that? I love it because this was a 2-hour workshop. So now instead of having to take it, download it, take it over to an editor, splice it out, I have a amazing tool that will let me go through visually, so I don't have to sit there and listen to the whole thing for 2 hours. Take forever. I can scroll down, find something I like, copy it. It automatically clips the video, which is insane, and then sends it. That is amazing. Now, I'm gonna in the next video, so stick around, I'm gonna show you how to repurpose that. So this is an amazing thing that I might actually start using for more than just Facebook Lives, honestly. I'm getting ideas, you guys. I just had a bunch of ideas. Oh, I'm excited. Where you're going to be able to take that, download it, turn it around, spit it out a bunch of other places. Ooh, I'm excited. That's going to be the next video. I'll see you guys in the next